all my dear students, I shall discuss about in vector analysis in physics IIT G main physics model set question. We saw that this question we have question to if force F vector is equal to if force F vector is equal to 3I vector plus 4j vector minus 2k vectors acts on a particle having position vector 2I vector plus j vector plus 2k vector, then the torque about the origin will be option A 3I vector plus 4j vector minus 2k vector, option B minus 10I vector plus 10j vector plus 5k vector, option C 10I vector plus 5j vector minus 10k vector, option D 10I vector plus j vector minus 5k vector. IIT G main physics model VVI model set question set solution. Here given that the force given that the force vector is equal to 3I vector plus 4j vector minus 2k vector and the position vector that is r vector is equal to 2i vector plus j vector plus 2k vector such that torque such that torque vector such that torque vector is equal to position vector of r cross position vector of f is equal to mod determinant of I vector, j vector, k vector of 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 minus 2 is equal to I vector, that means this row cancel and 1 4 2 minus 2 second minus j vector, this row cancel, this column cancel, this row cancel, 2 2 3 minus 2 2 2 3 minus 2 plus vector k mod, that means k row cancel, this column cancel, this row cancel, 2 1 3 4 2 1 3 4 is equal to I vector, that means 1 2 ja plus minus minus 1 2 ja 2 minus 2 minus 8 minus j vector 2 2 ja 4 minus 4 minus 6 plus k vector, that means 2 4 ja 8 minus 3 is equal to minus 10 I vector plus 10 j vector plus 5 k vector. This is the option answer. This is the option number B, that means minus 10i plus 10j plus 5k. That's all. Thank you very much.